friends, welcome back to the attic. This is Tracy here, and I wanted to come on and do my giveaway for one of these 3 journals that I did for my May design team projects for Crafty Dragon Creations. I will be giving one of these away. The lucky winner can pick whichever one they want. Again, there were 3, and I do have them named, so whoever wins, I will be contacting you, and you can pick whichever journal you want. If you can't remember, you can go back and look at the flip-throughs of them to pick one. I appreciate all your kind comments and liking, subscribing to the channel. And I don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be. So let's get on to picking the winner and see who the lucky winner is. Jamie Hayes 4843. Congratulations. Please reach out to me via email. My email is in the bio for YouTube. It's lottiesmagicattic@gmail.com. So please reach out to me and let me know which one of these journals you would like and the address I need to be sending that to, and I will get this right out to you. And congratulations, and I appreciate all the subscriptions, the likes, and comments that everybody gave me on my video. I will be doing another video later on this week for a June update of what we will be doing on the channel for the month of June. So please hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified of when that video goes up. And until next time, y'all take care.